Today, we're diving into the latest volume of死神坊ちゃんと黒メイド, specifically Volume 13. This installment continues the captivating storyline, providing a deeper look into the character's development and the unfolding plot. The art style remains consistent and visually appealing, enhancing the overall reading experience. The narrative takes unexpected turns, keeping readers on the edge of their seats with each page turn. The interactions between the main characters, along with the introduction of new elements, add layers of intrigue to the story. Fans of the series will appreciate the continuation of the unique blend of humor, drama, and supernatural elements that define. Additionally, the quality of the physical manga, including paper and print, is commendable. The cover art is striking, giving readers a glimpse into the thematic essence of this volume. Whether you're a longtime follower of the series or a newcomer, Volume 13 offers a satisfying reading experience that is both entertaining and thought-provoking. Dive into the world with us in this Manga Unboxing and Impressions video. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.